I'm going to show you guys how to set up this AquaCare Amazon top-selling luxury handheld shower with just a set of vice grips like this. Check this out. So I'll just get that around there. I got my vice grips. I'll come behind this shower head. I'll screw that off easily. Simple as that. This little washer out here. Okay, so first thing we do, we take this wire brush, clean it a little bit. I can take off some of that and make sure it's in good shape there. Now, I can take my, in the package included, my tape here. And I can take this tape. I'm going to be threading this on this way. So that's the way we have to put the tape on. Wrapping around like this. Right? And now, I'm going to screw this piece on here. I think that's pretty good actually right there. That's pretty mint. I will do a little crank with this to make sure it is tight. That's okay. I want to make sure it's nice and tight. Take this washer with nothing on it. We're going to put that in here. I'm going to put a little bit of tape on here, clockwise as well. So my washer and the washer in there. I'm going to tighten that up. Yeah, sometimes I go the opposite way to make sure it's not cross-threaded. Tighten this up nice and good. We're going to do the same thing on our opposite end here. Look at that. And I don't think we need any tape on there. We're going to tighten this up by hand. That's it. You've got your thing all set up now.